All right, y'all. Today we're reviewing a concept we talked about a couple days ago in class that was called circumference. Circumference is the distance around a circle, kind of like the perimeter of a circle. The way you calculate the circumference is by multiplying that number pi times the diameter. Two things you got to remember. Pi is actually 3.14. So 3.14 times whatever your diameter is for your equation, or for your circle, excuse me. Your diameter is the distance all the way across your circle. So here I have the diameter, it's 20 centimeters. So if I was finding the circumference of this, I would do 3.14 times 20. Something else you need to know is a term called the radius. The radius is the distance from one side to the direct middle of the circle. The radius is also half of your diameter. So if I was doing a problem and they didn't give me the diameter, they only gave me the radius, I would have to multiply that times 2 first to get the entire thing. So instead of 10, that would be 20 centimeters. But right here, it only gives me the radius. I'm going to erase that because I already have a picture on the other side. So if the radius is 10 centimeters, the diameter has to be half that. Sorry. If the radius is 10 centimeters, the diameter is double that, which is 20 centimeters. Since the diameter is 20 centimeters, the radius is half that, which is 10 centimeters. So to find the circumference, or C, we need to multiply these numbers. 3.14 times 20. Placeholder, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6. 2 numbers behind the decimal. So the circumference of this circle is 62.80 centimeters. I'm going to do one more problem. I'm going to pause and I'm going to set it up. I'm going to use one that has only the radius, and we're going to figure that one out. All right, on this second problem, I have the radius of 25 feet, and I want to find the circumference, or C. C equals pi times my diameter. So I know pi is 3.14, but I don't have the diameter. I have the radius, which is 25 feet. To find the diameter, I take my radius times 2, 25 times 2, or radius times 2. 25 times 2 gives me 50, so my diameter is actually 50. Now that I know the diameter, I can use that in my problem to solve it. 3.14 times 50 will give me my answer. Placeholder, 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7. 5 times 3 is 15. 2 numbers after the decimal. 2 numbers after the decimal. So my answer is 157 feet. And again, I just multiplied that 3.14 times my diameter, which was 50 for this one. That was multiplication. Y'all, if you have any questions, please send me a message. Make sure you guys are doing your last 2 days of assignments. Y'all, you don't want to tank your grade and end up failing because you haven't been doing your work for the last 6 weeks. Please make sure you're doing this stuff. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a good day, guys.